Hey, wish you all a very happy new financial year 1920. Do you want this financial year to be the single most greatest financial year ever in your life with an exponential growth? Then I welcome you to my iconic Business Bootcamp, which can help you to transmute your intangible ideas into a tangible assets. My name is Harshzad, helping businesses win. You need this to transmute your intangible ideas into a tangible assets this financial year. You need this if you are failed and fed up with testing ideas and strategies. You need this to identify and understand the roadblocks strategically that helps you to create a clear dashboard that further helps you to troubleshoot and accelerate your business. If you had planned this year's annual business plan with yesteryear's knowledge and experience, then there is no way that you are going to get even a minor incremental growth. Even if you get a 10% incremental growth, then you are in degrowth because you need to consider the inflation rate also. Click the link in the post or land up on the URL in this video and sign up to know what's more in it for you and for your business growth. And I see you on the other side. Thank you for being with me.